Hi, it's Amy, and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a patchwork inspired set of nails with a luminous glow-in-the-dark twist. Enjoy! So I've painted my 3 tips with Shy Time, which is my favourite nude. I'll give them 2 coats, and on the back of a form I have placed some Wild Watermelon, which is in the luminous glow-in-the-dark range, Icy Blizzard, again luminous glow-in-the-dark, and Ectoplasm, luminous and glow-in-the-dark. With my 01 brush, my first port of call is Wild Watermelon, and we're going to do a French polish type. These don't have to be in any particular way. Pop that in the lamp so you can cure in between. Second nail in, and then the last one we're going to do all over. You just have to make some random patterns. Pop that in the lamp. Remember to clean your brush off in between colours. Then we're going to go in with Icy Blizzard. Pop that in the lamp. Same with the second one. They don't have to be neat, and I'll show you for why afterwards. And then with the third one, and pop that in the lamp. And then finally go in with Ectoplasm to fill in the gap. Pop that in the lamp. So it's almost got a patchwork quilt effect to it. So it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to do something for the edges afterwards. Pop that in the lamp when you're happy. So I'm going to put some Gel Residue Wipe Off solution on a lint-free pad and just carefully wipe over these, taking all the sticky away. Just want to get everything, all the sticky away for the next part because we're going to use some foil. On my palette I'm going to put a little bit of Serious Black. Use a smaller brush in the 001, load that up and just outline. Doesn't have to be perfect because the foil will give it a jagged look anyway, which is pretty cool. Put that in the lamp. I'm only really putting the black on so when we stick the foil it's got a nice dark background. Pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So the foil I'm going to use today is this. It's got a silvery goldy hue to it, and we just need to cut off a little bit. So we can see if this will work straight onto the black. However, I don't think it'll adhere brilliantly. It might do it just nicely. Making sure to move your foil around so it doesn't just keep going over the same sticky bit. Okay. If you decided you wanted it more foily, you Did use some of the Nails Urban Graffiti foil glue, but I quite like it like that. So we're going to go over with the top coat from Urban Graffiti and seal that in. And that's to be cured for 60 seconds. So when they're out of the lamp, if you were on natural nails, you'd put some cuticle oil around the cuticles, but honestly these are just tips. And there you have it. Patchwork nails with a luminous glow-in-the-dark twist. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!